Man, it's been a minute since I've been on camera, so basically here's a little update on what's happening and what's going on. So I'm gonna just get this out the way. RIP my Forex funds. I am not fucking with prop firms anymore, not these Forex prop firms. So what I'm doing now, I never thought I'd fucking do this, but I'm officially a futures trader. I am no longer trading Forex for the time being. Obviously I still fuck with GU, fuck your USD, but bought an account with what's it called, Elite Trader Funding, and I'm no longer trading with the funded trader and whatever the fuck I was gonna trade with. So yeah, I'm officially now a futures trader. I'm trading NQ, ES, and YM. So those three pairs are what's gonna be the new uprise of Keenan 2 Forex. So now that that's out the way, update on the live streams. I don't think I'm gonna be doing live streams anymore, at least not that often, because I made this channel to be transparent and document my journey, because I know a lot of people fuck with transparency, and that's the main reason I did this. But at the same time, I don't want to keep putting my ass out on the internet on live stream and having people sway my direction in the markets or my bias or my trade idea. Oh, it's gonna go up and I'm going short. Dude, you're so wrong. Like you're gonna take an L trade. Like I understand that's a part of the game, like of live streaming, but me personally, I don't really want to have that clouding my judgment anymore, because I just don't fuck with it anymore. It was nice while it lasted. Shout out to Bees, Conflict, those motherfuckers I remember. But at the same time, bro, borrow video, I won't forget you. But bro, it's just like, I don't think it's viable for me to continue doing this every single day, every single fucking trading day. Like what? And okay, here's another extremely valid reason. Live trading, it kind of like, it was kind of like a scapegoat for me to have to place a trade. Dude, that is so important. Like I've been truly realizing, like, I don't have to place a trade every day. And every time that I open my MT4 and my trading view and I put on my OBS for live streaming, I was like, I'm going to take a trade today, whether it's a win or loss. I don't care. And that's cool. You don't have to care if it's a win or loss. But the fact that I was conditioning myself to, I have to take a trade today because I'm live streaming and I have to produce a result, that completely fucked me up. That it kind of just gave me an excuse to continue to trade even when I knew that conditions were off, and that it was just stupid of me. And I'm not saying that I'm not completely blaming it on that, but at the same time, it was literally the reason why I was doing it, why I was pressured to trade every day. And I know it's not like something that I should blame on live trading itself, but it's something that definitely fucked with my head. So I'm not gonna be live streaming every single day, probably once in a while. But yeah, that's that, man. I fuck with y'all, people who watch me on live. It's all cool. I will probably still be making trade recaps, so if you want, you can just look out for those. I probably will still keep doing those, because I really fuck with this like journal type YouTube channel that I have right here. Speaking of LLCs and live funds, I've officially opened an AMP live account. So I'm gonna be depositing live funds into there, because bro, I realized that, okay, I have been trading demo for the last like 3 months, I think 4 months, since May. It's now currently September, so like 4 months. And I definitely understand the concept of ICT and the 2022 mentorship. I understand it, but now that I understand it, quote unquote, obviously I don't truly understand it and see it for its beauty, because I've only been in this for 4 months, ICT. But my reasoning behind opening live account and going with Elite Trader Funding, this futures prop firm, is, I don't know if I said that yet, but I'm officially a futures trader. I'm no longer trading Forex. But the main reason for that is I need to get real skin in the game, and the only way for me to get real skin in the game, real live emotions, real oh my god, I just got slipped because price was moving so quickly, like oh my god, like I just lost an extra 20 bucks. Like that's very important in the mind of a trader, and I think that's something that will serve me going forward, because I need to learn how to I need to learn how to navigate around that, you know what I mean? So those are the main reasons why I'm definitely gonna get into live trading. I know people say that, oh, you shouldn't get into live trading until you've doubled your demo account, and while that might be true, me personally, I'm a very stubborn person, so if I don't learn with some consequences, I'm not gonna learn. And that's not a limiting belief, but it's something that will help me. Getting some real skin in this game is gonna completely boost my confidence, especially when I have winning trades, and when I have losing trades, learning how to accept losing live funds. So that's very important as a trader. So if you're still stuck in your demo phase, bro, just go for the live account, man. I mean, even if you're still losing, go for the live account. Just deposit a small amount of money, risk little. You don't have to be fucking risking $100 if you only have $1,000 in your account. You don't have to be doing that. You can risk $20. You know, you can risk $15, $30, whatever it may be, whatever risk you're comfortable with. But get some live skin in this, real skin in this game, because if you just continue demo trading, you're not really progressing as much as you think you are. Just because, oh, you flipped your demo account, it doesn't mean that you're ready for live trading and you're ready for this prop firm, and then you go to this prop firm and then you never pass it because you're still a fucking demo trader. And that's another thing about prop firms, bro. If I would have just put all my money I spent on prop firms into a live account, I would have fucking massive live account right now. Not like massive, but you know, massive to me, that would actually like make sense. But at the same time, I'm grateful that I went through these prop firms, because all those failed challenges, they conditioned my mind to realize what I was doing wrong when I was blowing them. I no longer blow challenges. You can see my my latest track record on these live videos that I've made. I guess I've been losing for like the past 4 fucking weeks because of fucking August. I'm not gonna blame it on August, okay? It's mostly my fault as well, overtrading, but you can see that I haven't blown the account. It's probably down by like 10%, but I've been risking 1% this whole time in over like 20 trading days. That, if you ask me, that's pretty damn fucking good for not blowing an account. So, you know, you might laugh at that, and that's okay, because it is kind of funny, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm down fucking 10%, 12%, whatever it may be. But yeah, man, getting some live skin, real skin in this game is I think it's really gonna help my psychology in passing future challenges, and especially because I've come to the realization, bro, you just have to make ends meet. Like ITC says, bro, ICT says, my past mindset was, okay, I don't have to be making money right now, but when I get that Lifefunded account, man, I'm gonna run up that shit to 10 grand and I'm gonna withdraw it on my first withdrawal. But I've just come to the realization, bro, like, if you just stop wasting all your fucking money on these live funding challenges, and oh, I'm gonna get one step funded, and oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that with these funded accounts, you get so much fucking closer just depositing $3,000 into a broker, futures or Forex, it doesn't matter. Just trading your own money, risking $20, $50, making money that week and being able to withdraw, being able to feel that cash. Like, that is a way bigger milestone than fucking wasting all your money on prop firms and then finally getting a withdrawal 10 years later. Like, I think that making ends meet is my number one thing I need to focus on right now. Making ends meet. Basically, I need to replace my fucking restaurant job. Period. Like, that's my goal right now. Okay, with these live accounts, I know I just said I don't fuck with prop firms anymore, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of made this impulsive decision because it was on sale. Okay, it was like $47 though for a 100K futures account. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna be trading that, and at the same time, I'm gonna be trading my live account. So that's what's gonna be happening right now. Really just doing this to document everything, because this is the continuation of me becoming the best fucking trader I can be. Step 1 is going to be making ends meet. No more live trading. Maybe once in a while. Probably will still be coming out with some trade recaps. So that's gonna be the end of this video. You know, I hope you learned something about psychology, perhaps these prop firms. Rest in peace, my Forex funds. I'm no longer a Forex trader. I'm officially a futures trader. Making ends meet is my new goal in this game. I know I said in my birthday video, oh, I want to make 50 grand by next year, but I'm barely learning the shit that actually works for me, and I'm expecting to get 50 grand in like less than a year. It's possible, but number one step right now is making ends meet. And you know what? Fucking who knows if when's May, like 8 months from now? Who knows if 8 months from now I have 50K in the bank? Because right now I'm focusing on making ends meet. Who fucking knows? Only time will tell, and only the work will tell. Okay, that's another thing, man. I'm locking in. I am locked in, but I need to lock in even fucking more. And if this resonates with you, I hope it does. Just lock in, man. Like, really lock in. Really fucking study your ass off in these charts and make case studies. Journal your fucking trades. I don't know. Do the shit that needs doing. That's my only advice for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something out of it. And if not, it doesn't really fucking matter. So peace.